Okay guys, so I took apart the Samsung T309. This is the this one right here that's taken apart is the locked one. Yeah. And I got the LCD out. I was gonna actually put it on the A560 because mine has the line through it. And they are different because you can't unmount the display from the back housing, which has the front display on it. There's no connector. I was hoping there was like a plug-in on this board where you could separate the inner LCD from that, but there's not. So I just thought I'd kind of show you guys what it looks like inside this thing. It's pretty cool. Let me hit the end key. Here's the display. Like I see, I didn't break it getting it out. This bracket is it's kind of like glued back here. There's the backlight. Alright, so here's the front display. I think this front display is broken too. It doesn't look right. Let me hit the end button. I don't know. It doesn't look right to me, but all this is kind of cool, having the LCD out. We can enter some. So that's pretty cool. But sadly, guys, we can't take the LCD out and put into my A560. I was really hoping to, but doesn't look like that's going to be able to work. So it's hard to find another A560. I've been trying to find one so I can get, because I have the one over there in the box. I'm trying to get another one for the screen, or at least another Sprint one. So if you guys have one you want to sell me, I'm definitely interested. So I do have my email address linked in on my YouTube profile. So hit me up on that if you guys have an A560 you want to sell me, because I'll definitely buy it. So thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned for more.